Welcome back to the shop. Today's video is going to be sort of a quick one, I think. I'm going to go over some tools. I went to the flea market this morning and picked up a couple tools. This is like a spanner wrench for a gland nut. I forget exactly what they call these, but I know that when you have a large nut on, like hydraulic cylinders and whatnot, I don't have one of these tools. So picked this up for $4. Here's a brass rod. Picked this up for $6. I figured the material alone is probably worth the $6. And right now I just have a brass hammer that I use and some very small pieces of brass that I use for other applications that I use. But this is going to be very handy to have around the shop. I picked up this ratchet and I'd never seen anything like it before. I paid up a little bit considering it's got a chunk taken out of the back, but it's got just this detent. And it is 1/4 inch. It's not 9/32 or 5/32 or whatever. Yeah, was it 5/32? Hey, anyway, it's 1/4 inch, and it works. So this is pretty novel. I don't see a name on it. There is a little ding here, but it's in great shape. It doesn't really need any work. I just thought it was new and interesting. Picked up this flathead screwdriver. Pardon me. It says Ryan Tools, and it's in great shape, and I think it's not quite got the hollow grind that a gunsmith screwdriver has, but I like the full width shank on that. Typically a screwdriver has a sort of it would tend to widen out, you know, it sort of widens out there, but this one, I like that profile. I thought that was pretty interesting. So I picked that up, and I think this is going to clean up real nicely. And then this all-metal screwdriver, I paid up for it. It was $10. I think this may have been made by somebody. I don't see any maker's mark on it, but it's pretty cool. I think I'm going to clean this one up today.
Okay, Rick, whatever.
I'm listening.
Oh, I didn't know if you had to do audio.
No audio. This would be time-lapse.